everyone watching us today. Today is currently 11:48 a.m., January 4, 2022. Live from the Gold Studios, my name is Nadia Impao.
And my name is Bajan S. Hajimabit, bringing science-related knowledge and education.
This is Science Patrol.
Today's report, we will tackle the different enzymes in the human body that break down carbohydrates. Studies have shown that our digestive system produces different types of enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for breaking down foods that by chemical reaction and modification of the material for its digestion, and carbohydrates are not an exception.
Carbohydrates are essential to one's diet as it fuels the body with energy to support bodily functions, which is why the body needs to be able to break down carbohydrates so that the body can stay ATP. A carbohydrate-deficient diet may cause headaches, fatigues, weakness, difficulty concentrating, nausea, constipation, bad breath, and vitamin and mineral deficiencies, with making it vital to the stability of one's physical health.
Of digesting and absorbing sugars and starch is to continuously break them down into smaller and smaller molecules that your body can absorb and use. Larger starch molecules or complex carbohydrates require extensive breakdown. Simpler carbohydrates or sugars require either one breakdown process or none at all. There are enzymes that target these chemical compounds and break the bonds of the molecular level. Learn more about them from Purita Yapal and Arhaya Hassan.
Mechanical and chemical digestions of carbohydrates begin in the mouth. Chewing, also known as mastication, crunches and crumbles the carbohydrate foods into smaller chunks. Salivary glands located in the oral cavity secrete saliva, which contains enzymes, salivary amylase.
The enzyme breaks the bond between the monomeric sugar units of disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and starches. The salivary amylase breaks down amylose and amylopectin, two types of polysaccharides, into smaller chains of glucose called dextrin and maltose. Only about 5% of starches are broken down in the mouth, which is a good thing is more glucose in the mouth leads to more tooth decay.
When carbohydrates reach the stomach, no further chemical breakdown occurs because the gastric juice present melts away the salivary amylase. The next enzymes are to be reported by Anija Jaani and John Rovel Bipan.
Carbohydrates in the stomach occurs as the strong variously construction of the stomach mixed with carbohydrates and the more uniform mixture of chymes. The chymes is gradually expelled into the upper parts of the small intestine. The duodenum, where the pancreas releases its pancreatic juice, which contains the pancreatic amylase.
This enzyme will start the breakdown of dextrins into shorter and shorter carbohydrate chains. It acts on the remaining polysaccharides and breaks them into disaccharides of maltose. In the final step of complex carbohydrates digestion, the enzyme maltose present in the lining of the small intestine breaks maltose into the units of glucose. Glucose is absorbed and enters the bloodstream.
There are, however, two more additional enzymes present in the small intestines. Learn about from Hida Kapugatan and Narimisa Jampaka.
Two additional enzymes present in the small intestine digest other disaccharide foods. Enzymes are secreted by the intestinal cells that line the villi. They are known collectively as disaccharides, as sucrase, maltase, and lactase. The enzyme sucrase digests sucrose or table sugar into its constituents, units of glucose and fructose. Maltase breaks the bond between the two glucose units of maltose. And lactose breaks lactose or milk sugar into glucose and galactose.
These monosaccharides are stored in the small intestine and transported to the liver. As the human body only utilizes glucose as the source of energy. The liver converts fructose and lactose into glucose. Glucose either becomes a source of immediate energy or is stored in the liver and muscle in the form of glycogen.
However, one type of carbohydrates known as fiber is a type of carbohydrates that the body can digest. Though most carbohydrates are broken down into sugar molecules called glucose, fiber cannot be broken down into sugar molecules and instead it passes through the body undigested. It lingers in the stomach and delays gastric emptying, promoting a feeling of fullness or satiety. It is the only part of carbohydrates that remain in the digested tract.
Big thank you for our reporters for the knowledge they have brought to us today. It is fascinating to know the process of how carbohydrates gets broken down in the body.
Every day you learn something new, and today brought us some wonderful insights on our topic for today.
To sum up everything that has been stated so far, the digestion of carbohydrates starts as soon as they reach our mouth, where salivary amylase converts starch into maltose but in small amounts, which directly into the small intestine passing through the stomach, and here the pancreatic amylase converts left starch into maltose, which further get broken down by maltase to two molecules of glucose, lactose, and glucose and galactose by lactase, and sucrose by the action of sucrase converts into glucose and fructose.
This concludes our report for the day. Thank you for joining us.
Always remember to learn something new every day. Explore, investigate, and discover. My name is Nadia Impao.
And my name is Bajan S. Hajimagid.
This is Science Patrol.